Hey Budding Business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of two six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be talking about a new way that I am making $30,000 a month. And literally all I'm doing to actually make this money is I'm just repurposing my TikTok videos to Facebook. Because of TikTok being such a competitive social media platform, Facebook and Instagram has been paying out bonuses just to create content on their platforms, since TikTok has been taking so many of their monthly users. They're trying to entice people to stay on by offering them money in order to create content. This side hustle / way to make money online is something that I'm actually trying to get my mom into right now, because I want my mom to quit her job. And this is the way that I'm hopefully going to do that for her. And I thought, why not share this with you guys as well? You guys are my YouTube family, and I think of you guys and I teach you guys like I teach my own family and help my own family out. So I'm really excited to get into this video today, and hopefully some of you guys can make money from this as well. Before we get started, and before I tell you guys how you guys can set this up and do this, make sure you guys like this video for the YouTube algorithm and hit that subscribe button so I can continue to make videos like this by helping you guys make more money online. So if you've been thinking about taking social media more seriously or getting into video content creation with TikTok, this is your sign. So if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, I actually have a TikTok account for my dog. All I'm doing is I'm taking her videos that we made for TikTok, I'm saving them, which you can easily save TikToks without a watermark. I'll show you guys a hack right now on how to do that. So all I'm doing is I'm saving the TikToks that I have made for her that I posted on TikTok, saving those TikToks and posting them as a reel to her Facebook page. Now, in order to make money and to get this bonus on Facebook, you do have to have a Facebook page. I don't think they're offering it to personal profiles. I could be wrong because this is so new, and that's why a lot of people haven't even started talking about this yet. But I do believe you do have to have a page. So if you haven't already set up a Facebook page for your own personal brand or for your business or for whatever you're creating videos about, make sure you guys do that right now. And you can do this right from your phone. So go to your Facebook app and you'll be on your personal Facebook account. Just click on menu. After menu, you'll see this option for pages. Click on pages. Then you'll see that you can create a page right here with this plus button right here in the upper left-hand corner. Click that. And then from here, you can get started and create a page. This is how you're going to actually create like a Facebook page. They do think you're a business usually at first, but this is how you can just get started and create a page. And I have heard from other sources that Facebook is offering this bonus to all different followings. So even if you have, 100 followers, if you have 500 followers, 1,000 followers, you can still get this bonus. So it's worth a shot. This type of money for some of you guys can be life-changing. So just to show you guys, what we've made from this so far and like kind of this backstory to this crazy situation. So I was on it's called business.facebook.com. That's what I was looking on. I was just checking out the features, and I scrolled down on my dog's page because I was clicked over to my dog's page at this point. Like I'm checking her analytics. I'm checking all her things in this business creator studio suite for Facebook. So on this creator studio, if you scroll down, click on bonus, and you will see if you're eligible for bonuses in this section. Now, if you're not eligible yet, it will tell you, and a lot of times it will tell you why you're not eligible. I obviously think that if you do have more of a following or you're building a following, that you're more likely to get this bonus, especially if you are somebody that is actively posting reels. I personally don't use hashtag on my dog videos on her reels, but one thing that I do want to tell you guys, one thing that I am doing is, and how I grew her Facebook page, is all I was doing was I was just sharing her posts to like groups. So like there's a lot of husky groups across Facebook. So I was sharing her husky videos to husky groups, and that's actually how I grew her Facebook page. So like I didn't like even really try to funnel my TikTok following to her Facebook page. I kind of just grew her Facebook page in its own kind of way. And they have Facebook pages like this for all different niches. So if you're picking a niche, check and see what kind of pages they have for you, and you might be able to find one that applies to you. And this is how you can grow your Facebook page. So attentively check this Creator Studio to see if the bonus is there, because that's where I first saw it. So when I first started this Facebook page at the end of 2021, I think it was more like mid of 2021, I only had like 10,000 followers when they offered me this bonus. So like I wasn't like this big page that we have today. Definitely wasn't like that. So if you go over to your home, once you make your page, I'll show you guys how to actually start posting reels. So just click on home, and then you'll see on this button, it's actually the reels option is right there. So you'll click on reel, and then you can upload the TikTok that you already have made, click next, and then you'll click share. And of course, writing the description obviously helps as well with the keywording and things like that. Instagram, like my sister actually already made $300 in 1 week. You know, she's only 18, so her making $300 randomly was like really awesome. She made $300 just by posting Instagram videos on her Instagram on Reels. So that's been really awesome for her too. So this is another thing, like, you know, repurposing your TikToks, but I feel like it all starts with TikTok. So focus on video content creation. I teach it on my YouTube channel. I show you guys how I make TikToks on my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you guys how to remove the TikTok watermark. So when you're on TikTok and you want to save something, you're going to go to what you want to save. You're going to hold it down, click save video. You're going to hurry up before it stops saving. You're going to go right back into it. Wait for it to finish saving. You can see it's at 32% now. And then it's saved, and the video is saved. It will automatically be saved without the video watermark. See, there we go. It was saved without the video watermark. It's literally that easy. So you just have to exit out of the app as it's saving, and that's the quickest hack that I have for you guys to save TikToks without watermarks. Make sure you guys, when you guys are repurposing your TikToks to Reels on Instagram or Reels on Facebook, make sure that you guys are, posting it without TikTok watermarks, because they don't like it when you include TikTok watermarks, and I wouldn't want you guys to not get this bonus because of that. So that's one thing to definitely think about. Also, if you guys can't do that trick or it's not working for you, you guys can just search on Google, save TikTok without watermark, and there's a bunch of free websites that you just put the TikTok link in and it saves the video like that. This is really just what I mean, that if you just go for it and you just really, dive into social media, don't be embarrassed to post things, don't be embarrassed to try new things, just do it, just try it. Even if you're unsure of exactly what niche to do, just pick something that you feel as though will grab attention, that can get views, and just post. Even if it's something in your life that, you don't think is that interesting, other people might think it's very interesting. And you don't always have to show your face. As you can see, these are videos of my dog. You don't have to always show your face. Social media does not equal showing your face. If you guys are unfamiliar, my business Bodyful, I grew that one as well to a 6-figure earning business without showing my face. And I basically just showed my hands. And when I didn't want to show my hands, I put gloves on. So it's like you can create viral video content without showing your face. And even with Facebook, you can create and then recycle whatever videos you're making on TikTok to Instagram and Facebook. And you're now able to profit from that as well. If you guys have any questions in regards to this, make sure you guys just leave a comment down below. I'm happy to answer you guys' questions. If you haven't already, go check out my channel for more ways to make money online. I have so many different methods. Bye, everyone.
Hold me close till I get up.